Rather than use class time to go over the exam, I'm going to make videos where I show you solutions to the problems that students struggled the most on. So I'll post them on our XYZ homework by problem number. The first one I want to talk about is number 3, solving inequalities. And we talked about this early on. I gave you some exercises to do. It'll be really helpful for you later if you can master the technique. I don't think it's difficult, but it does take a little effort to learn it. And the key is to focus on these linear factors. Find where they change signs. They only change sign at one spot. And so because I have a product here, I want it to be positive. I can get that information by just analyzing the signs of the individual factors. So we draw a number line. We identify the sign change points. There's one at -5. That's where the first one changes sign, and another one at 3. So the signs will alternate. Like, I think we can have 2 regions here, and the signs will alternate as we move across them. If we knew the sign in one region, then we could just alternate. So one thing I like to do is if 0 is not a sign change point, and it's not, it will be on the next problem, I'll just plug it in real quick. And you can see when you plug in 0, you get 5 times 3. And I don't really care that it's 15, but I care that it's a positive number. So I'm going to put a plus in here. Signs will alternate. Therefore, this expression is positive only between -5 and 3. So here's our answer, the interval from -5 to 3. Open interval. All right, for the second one, the numerator changes sign at -1/3. You can set it equal to 0 and solve if you can't see it. At the bottom, we need a factor. We need to write it as a product of linear expressions. So I can factor that x out, and I get x plus 4 left over. And the sign change points are 0 there and -4. And now let's rearrange them on a number line. The smallest one is -4. We'll write it to the left. And then we have a -1/3. And then we have 0. So 0 is a sign change point. I can't use it to get the sign, but you can see easily if I plug in any positive number, let's plug in 1, everything is positive. So we're going to get a plus over here, and then the signs will just alternate. This inequality asks us for where the expression is negative. So we'll take everything less than -4. Is this region over here, and then we'll take everything inside here. -1/3 to 0, and we're done with problem 3.